Itte fire start Malpuvae. Fire Portave. Su Portave ini. Itte yan maskushe kan I panda itte there's nothing left. Daliji. I'm putting sticks in the place where they're gonna burn. Yakandre elle nale Barsa Bartini. Rain will come. So I'm gonna move all these, put them under shelter so they stay dry, and then tomorrow we'll light it in a fire. So ini te yan su Malpuvae, su Malpuvae, depende Barsa Bartendend, everything super chande ite chandiend. So I'll make a fire and get rid of some of this brush, which I'm gonna have to pull this off real quick. And book first yan near Malpuvae. I have to get water in this bucket just for safety reasons. Gotunda near yeah, I get water. So here's a stream. I fill the water in this stream. Need it. Onji nimisha. Need a mopa in the fireplace. So I have to get it out. Itte fire start Malpuvae. Fire Portave. Su Portave ini. Edde su. There's a big fire going. Gotunda. Bale. I'll show you the fire. It starts here and I'll burn all of these weeds here. So it's gonna be a big fire. Gotunda. Yana tama, yana brother. Molpa yana needle for safety precaution. Bale. Marata, we don't want it to catch on fire. Yana nai, Billy. Put that at Billy. Billy. So it's halfway through the pile. So we just have to keep it under control until it gets all the way to that side. Edesu under. Almost done. Nice. Ite yan katundu for the fire to die. I'm just waiting. Ite yan maskushe kan I panda ite there's nothing left. Daliji. So ele the same thing I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get rid of those weeds down there. So yeah, Solmulu, like Malpuvae, subscribe Malpuvae, yeah, bokatika.